Hello everybody, welcome to AtmOSC. This is a Touch OSC template for the Dolby Atmos Renderer. It allows you to control the Dolby Atmos Renderer using OSC and keystroke commands from a device such as iPad or Android tablet, or even another PC or Mac. It essentially just relays all the OSC that Dolby have mapped to various parts of the renderer so that we can control them from AtmOSC. It uses, or it's set up to use a default kind of setup for the Dolby Atmos renderer, so you can customize it yourself from there if you've done any Touch OSC before. If not, drop me a line and a small contribution, and I will customize it to your environment. Normally it's just the monitoring that you're probably going to need to change. As you can see at the moment, we can choose from 714, 71512 and 2 direct, which is the default install for the Dolby Atmos renderer, but if you want something more custom, then I can add that as well. So we've got obviously controls like output. We've got ability to min and max the object views, person view, theatre view, objects, labeling, binaural mode rendering, and groups display. We can shuttle the timeline forwards and backwards through the ADM. If you are obviously on an input and synced to LTC, then the shuttle wheel is disabled because you can't shuttle something that's on the LTC. Unfortunately, Dolby Atmos Renderer doesn't relay any OSC messages back to AtmOSC. It doesn't have that capability. But if Dolby are listening, then that would be pretty cool, because then we could lock the state of the controller to what is happening in the Dolby Atmos renderer. Even if things do get out of sync, in terms of you might have the Dolby Atmos renderer might be in master mode, but AtmOSC is showing input mode. If you just click master button, it will then kind of synchronize it all back together. But ideally, you'd want it to always just reflect whatever you've opened up the Dolby Atmos renderer at. But it's a small nuisance, really. So if I'm just going to play some music, and you all know how this works, so you can see that it's working. This is a Prince Diamonds and Pearls DD Plus jock, which I've just mapped to an ADM so that we can see the object numbers and stuff, and it sounds good as well.
This will be the day that you will hear me say that I will never either week or May. If I could, I would.
Okay, I think that's covered most of it. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it. It's taken a little bit of work to get it all kind of bug free and stable. There's a couple of things that we'll probably add. A pause button would be good, and also I don't think the renderer remembers where this jog wheel has been jogged to. So it's okay while it's playing, but if I click stop, it just returns back to the beginning, even though the settings in the Dolby Atmos Renderer say to just stop at the place that it's got to, whereas if I press play now, we'll start from the beginning again. So not ideal, but it's a small nuance. At least while if you just keep it on the play mode, it will always follow where you've shuttled to. So yeah, you can download it if you haven't found the link from wherever you've got this video for, but I'll leave the link to the template in the description as well. Okay then, cheers then, bye.